Hello, my name is Płamen. I would like to share the latest SecureTransport features and improvements with you. As with the last release, this SecureTransport update does not impact current configurations. That means you can install it on top of SecureTransport 5.5 GA or any following 5.5 updates. If you're installing SecureTransport for the first time, check our README or installation guide for the detailed procedure. This release updates the Jettison and Snake YAML to a more recent version. For a complete list of third-party libraries in SecureTransport and their current version, please refer to the third-party software and licenses document. The new user menu gives you access to training, including an introduction to the concepts used in SecureTransport. It is also the place to get help from the MFT community, contact support, and others. In the SecureTransport admin user interface, navigate to the user menu and click the drop-down menu for links to the product documentation, the offline help, Axway University, what's new videos in YouTube, the support portal, REST API documentation, and others. We introduced passing custom variables from a REST API pull request to the PeSIT User Message attribute in the Send to Partner step using the DXAgent Transfers API syntax. Following the mutual authentication for ICAP servers from the August release, now LDAP servers can be configured as well for mutual authentication using a client certificate that you select from the WCAG certificates. As part of our ongoing initiative to productize SecureTransport's beta features, we have improved the consolidated view of a transfer with this update. Once an acknowledgement for a retried PeSIT transfer is sent or received, it is propagated to all related retried transfers. The same concept applies to the resubmitted transfers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.